Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can add beds to your Airbnb listing. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, click on Switch to Hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then click on Listings option in the top. And then you need to click on your listing once again. This will land you in your listing editor. And if you haven't been in this area for a while, you will see this new option Airbnb has added, which is create a photo tour of your property. They use AI to automatically categorize your pictures for each space you have listed. Just click on that button and then it will start sorting your photos. Once it is ready, click on check it out. And then you would see they have categorized your images for each space you have listed in your property. Now, because this is AI and it can be wrong sometimes, so it is a good idea to go into all these areas and make sure the photos are correctly categorized. And then make sure you go into each of the areas where there is a sleeping space. So for example, click on bedroom number 1. And under that, you will see this sleeping arrangements. Just click on that and that will open up the sleeping arrangement list. You can just add the number of beds you have in that area. There is a lot more detail now for each area. For example, you can click on privacy info and indicate if it has a private attached bathroom or not. The same way, you can click on amenities and then it will give you an option to choose the kind of amenities this room has. It is a very elaborate list, so make sure you go through all the spaces in your property. And if you want to remove or delete a space, just click on this delete room or space option at the bottom right. And if you want to add a new space in your property, just click on this plus icon in your photo gallery and then click on add a room or space. That will give you an option to choose what kind of space you are adding. Just choose that and click on next. And then it will let you choose photos for that space. And that will add a new space to your listing. So this is very important settings. Make sure you go into your listing and just double check all the categorization of the photos is correct and all the sleeping spaces are correctly indicated in your property. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a fabulous day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.